environment affects a huge amount of what genes are expressed. So, we like to say kind of, genetics will load the gun, but environment will pull the trigger. Right. So that's absolutely true. And, what's really interesting is we used to think that this epigenetics was, just happened, what in the day in your current environment. Turns out that epigenetics can be inherited as well. So what your parents and before you were born, if your parents and even grandparents were exposed to certain things like stress, that can change the expression of genes in the grandchildren. Which is really crazy. We thought that was, absolutely no one believed it until it was proven. And the other thing is, the change in the gene expression happens second to second, moment to moment. So for example, people that meditate, this was a study that was done, they would change the expression, just the act of meditating, of over 200 genes. A lot of the genes that controlled inflammation or the inflammatory ones went down, and the anti-inflammatory, expression of those genes went up just from meditation. We know that what you eat, the broccoli, that's one of my favorite foods. The sulforaphane in the broccoli actually controls genetic expression. So the foods we eat, it's a whole field that we call nutrigenomics, how food changes gene expression. And so, it's so critical. And a lot of people think, oh, it's genetics, I have no control over it. But you do, because this, understanding epigenetics allows you to actually have a lot of control. So what you do really does matter, even if you have a genetic predisposition.